cast in accordance with Article 138, sub-Article 4 of the Constitution. We want to persuade you that the second respondent never attained that constitutional threshold. And going back to the Constitution on that particular article, Article 138, sub-Article 4, it was made part of the Constitution by the framers of the Constitution to give legitimacy to anybody elected as president, to the effect that he had widespread support of the Kenyan people, and that is evidenced by the requirement that the president-elect must have at least 25% of the votes cast in each of the more than half of the counties. We are not dealing with that point. We're dealing with Article 4A, that it is a requirement, mandatory requirement, that the person elected as president must receive more than half of all the votes cast in the election. Now, talking about numbers in those two provisions speaks to the need for accuracy and accountability to give an election the legitimacy that the holder of that office would carry while exercising the powers of the President of the Republic of Kenya. And it's not an idle matter, because we went through an experience, before the enactment and proclamation of this Constitution, that a person would be elected by way of a simple majority, and in circumstances in which